As I told you that I will be comparing Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 processors in this video. I will be doing that by showing you some of the benchmark results and some of the comparison between their frequencies, the number of cores, etc. So let's get started. So guys, as you can see in front of you, I have listed Ryzen 3 4300U and Ryzen 5 4500U. As you can see, the base frequency of Ryzen 4300U is 2.7 GHz, while that of Ryzen 4500U is 2.3 GHz. Now, moving on to the number of cores, the Ryzen 4300U features 4 cores, while the Ryzen 4500U features 6 cores. Now let's move on to the benchmark result. So guys, as you can see from Cinebench R20 single core performance, the Ryzen 4300U scored 425 points while the Ryzen 4500U scored 448 points. That is a difference of about 5%. Now, because of two more cores in Ryzen 4500U, the difference in Cinebench R20 multi-core performance is 400 points approximately, while the difference in percentage is 22%. So guys, next up upcoming is Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7. So guys, as you can see, I am now comparing Ryzen 5 4500U and Ryzen 7 4700U. The base frequency, as I told you, of Ryzen 4500U is 2.3 GHz, while that of Ryzen 4700U is 2 GHz. Now let's compare the cores. The difference between the cores is same. The Ryzen 5 4500U features 6 cores while Ryzen 7 4700U features 2 more cores. So now let's move on to performance in stress test, that is Cinebench. So as you can see, the difference between single core performance in Cinebench R23 test is about 3%. Ryzen 5 4500U scored 1151 points while Ryzen 7 4700U scored 1184 points. While because of two more cores in multi-core performance, Ryzen 7 4700U outperformed Ryzen 5 4500U by about 18%. That is, Ryzen 4500U scored 5620 points, while Ryzen 4700U scored 6874 points. Now let's move on to the difference between Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9. So guys, as you can see, I am now comparing Ryzen 9 4900H with Ryzen 7 4700U. Now you can see there is a massive difference in base clock frequency speed. Ryzen 4900H features 3.3 GHz base frequency, while Ryzen 4700U features only 2 GHz. The cores, as you can see, is the same in both of them, but the difference lies in hyperthreading, because Ryzen 4900H features 16 threads while Ryzen 4700U features only 8 threads. So now let's move on to benchmark results. Now, as you can see, in single core performance, there is a good difference. The Ryzen 4900H scored 1284 points, while Ryzen 4700U scored 1184 points. That's difference of exactly 100 points and 8%. While in multi-core performance, there is a huge difference. Ryzen 4900H scored 11061 points, while Ryzen 4700U scored 6874 points. Just because Ryzen 4900H is a processor which is specifically made for gaming and video editing tasks. Guys, this was mobile processor. Now we are going to talk about desktop processor. So let's get started.
How careless we could be. It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
So guys, as you can see, the difference in single core performance is very minimal, so that is nothing in comparison. But in multi-core performance, because of two extra cores in Ryzen 3600, there is a difference of about 2500 points, and the difference in percentage is 28%. So as you can see, just because of more cores, the performance in Ryzen 3600X is quite significant. So now let's move on to Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 comparison. So guys, in front of you, you can see Ryzen 9 3900X and Ryzen 7 3700X. Now we will be comparing them. Ryzen 3900X features base frequency of 3.8 GHz, while Ryzen 7 3700X features 3.6 GHz. The difference between cores is massive, as you can see. Ryzen 3900X features 12 cores, while Ryzen 3700X features 8 cores. As you can see, just because they are desktop processors, they support both hyper-threading and overclocking. Now let's move on to benchmark results. As you can see, the difference in single core performance is about 4%. Ryzen 3900X scored 1342 points, while Ryzen 3700X scored 1294 points. Now the difference in multi-core performance is quite significant because Ryzen 3900X features 4 more cores as compared to Ryzen 3700X. Ryzen 3900X scored 18424 points, while Ryzen 3700X scored 12355 points. So guys, in this video, I compared Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 and Ryzen 9 processors. Now guys, in the next video, I will be comparing Ryzen processors with Intel in full detail. So guys, stay tuned till then, stay safe and wait till our next video. Bye bye guys.